yung goals mo na akala mo hindi mo kaya. The meaning of life, it's not only to survive. Uma naman. So, kailangan yung buhay natin, it is about moving ahead to achieve any of our goals and dreams and conquer many struggles na darating sa buhay natin. Kasi, the more malaki yung goals natin, minsan, mas malaki rin yung struggles na pwedeng dumating. So, nasa sayo kung ano yung pipiliin mo. Yung you will focus on your goals or you will focus on the struggles. Yung pangarap mo, di ba, ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. So, syempre, to focus on your goals, di ba?